welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create 3 easy, super easy ribbon hairstyles. I called it ribbon, but actually my ribbon is really thick. By the way, mine is from LilySilk. I'll leave the link in the info bar as well. The code is this, and I'll leave it in the info bar as well, so you can use it to save your money. You can use maybe a ribbon or a thinner scarf that you have at home, of course, too. I'm so excited to share all this hairstyle with you. By the way, don't forget to tell me in comments down below which one is your favorite, so I'll know what kind of hairstyles to do next. But let's start our ribbon hairstyles right now.
So we'll gather our crown section, and then we want to tie our ribbon or our thin scarf like I'm showing. Easy, right? Now you want to use the ends of the scarf and grabbing little sections from both sides, you want to bring them into our scarf like I'm showing and tie it again. And of course you want to repeat it. So you gather hair from both sides and add it into our ends of our scarf, and we want to tie our scarf over. So you want to tie it how many times you want. So basically you can make it like a half updo, or you can make it of course like a braid or a ponytail, but on the end make sure to tie it 2 times so it will be secure, and you're done. Now for our next hairstyle, we want to grab our heavy side, and of course we want to tie it and then create a topsy tail. Loosen a bit your side topsy tail to make it fuller and beautiful looking. I like to leave some hair out in the front. And then we want to add more hair from the side of our topsy tail and tie it over our previous topsy tail like I'm showing, and flip it. So basically we'll create our second topsy tail and we want to pull it. Then you want to grab a little thicker sections from both sides, and we want to tie our third topsy tail over our second one. Then you want to flip it, just loosen it a bit like I'm showing, and your crown section so there are no skins showing. Then we want to make a low messy bun. So basically I'll show you one more time slowly what I'm doing. So basically I'm twisting my hair with my elastic, and then I'm flipping my elastic over. And then you want to loosen your bun. You can make here any type of bun that you like, okay, and this is easier for you. And then grabbing your scarf, you want to bring it through your first elastic of the topsy tail, and then make sure to bring it through the sides of the topsy tail, so also it will cover our elastic. And then you want to bring it from both sides under our topsy tails. I hope that this makes sense, but basically you can see what I'm doing. So we'll create 2 parallel lines of our scarf for ribbon, and we want to tie it underneath like I'm showing, and our hairstyle looks even better now. I'm right? For our last hairstyle, we want to make a low ponytail using any type of elastic that you like. Loosen your crown section, your sides, so our bun will look a little effortless. And then you want to simply twist your hair around itself and then twist it around the elastic. And then you want to grab another elastic and secure it. Then you want to pull it to create this voluminous effect, and use some bobby pins to pin it from the sides like I'm showing. And now we want to use our ribbon or scarf and tie it over our bun like I'm showing. Make sure to make it tight, okay? Because I have a silk ribbon and I want it to be secure, I'll pin it. And I will suggest you to do the same. It looks more intricate this way.
I hope that you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, don't forget please about thumbs up. Of course, subscribe guys and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial, so you'll have amazing hair every day. Which one you like more? Watch all of them, okay? So you'll have beautiful hair, like I said, every day. Bye!